Hey Super Moms! Today we're making Yoda Sweet Potato Bites. These are adorable, fun, delicious little snacks with a really great mix of sweet and salty. Plus, the kiddos loved them, so major win. Alright, if you love these recipes, then down below you can grab my recipe booklet with all my favorite recipes in it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, first you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I washed the sweet potato really well so that I could leave the skin on. There's a lot of nutrients in the skin that I'd really prefer to not throw away. Then I sliced them fairly thin, about a ½ inch, tossed them in an 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and a ½ tablespoon of avocado oil. I prefer avocado oil because it stands up to heat, it's a healthy fat, and it doesn't change the taste. Other high temperature oils you could use are coconut oil or ghee, but I find they're heavier and leave a taste. So then you want to put them in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, flip them halfway through, and make sure to keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Now, onto the avocado. First you want to squeeze the juice of about a half a lemon, and you're going to want about a ½ teaspoon to 1 teaspoon in with your avocado. And the lemon juice is going to help keep it from turning brown. So you'll mash the avocado with a fork or a potato masher, whatever you've got on hand, with the lemon juice and an 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I love this recipe because it's high in healthy fats, fiber, it has vitamin A, potassium, B vitamins, vitamin C, iron, vitamin E, calcium, magnesium, and so much more. So it's pretty nutrient dense. Alright, after we mash the avocado, we're just going to set it aside for now. Like I said, it can kind of sit for a bit and it'll be okay because of the lemon juice. After this, we're going to move on to the black olives. So the black olives I use for the eyes, and you're going to want to cut them very small so that they'll fit on the face. I cut them into 4 lengthwise, and then you can see I really am chopping them very small. If you don't, they kind of take up the whole face. So the nutrients that I just mentioned are really important for your sleep, your digestion, your skin and eye health, your immune system, and so much more. So I really do love this because it is so beneficial. Alrighty, after this we're just going to put the eyes aside, the olives aside for now, and we're going to start on the green pepper. I ended up using about a ½ a green pepper, and as you can see, I'm cutting them into fairly small triangles. You may want to trim them up after, or make them smaller if you need to. But the thing is, I mean, while Yoda, does have big ears, you don't want them massively huge. And of course you want to taste it, because yum, green pepper. And we'll put those aside for now as well. And we're going to just wait now for the sweet potato to be done. Alright, our sweet potato's done. I just used a spoon and a fork to put a dollop of the avocado on the sweet potato. It doesn't need to be perfect or pretty. I mean, you can shape it if you want, but you really don't have to. And then next, what I did was I put on the green pepper for the ears. So I literally just took them and stuck them in. You want to make sure that they stay fairly still, so put them on well, but that's pretty much it. This recipe is so great because you get the sweet from the sweet potato, you get the salty from the olives, you get the crunch from the green peppers. So it really is a lot of different textures and flavors, and it's absolutely delicious. So literally just putting on the eyes, super easy. And the kids absolutely love this too, which is another bonus. So I know it's nutrient dense and everybody's going to eat it. Now, if you love this recipe, you can grab it below. You can also grab a copy of my favorite recipe booklet with my top recipes in it. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get more of these awesome recipes.